Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. JPMorgan Chase and Company Client Data Analyst role के लिए hiring कर रही है. So location is Mumbai. Job category is Client Data. Job shift is midday shift and job schedule is full time. Now let us see the job description here. As a business analyst and reporting specialist, you will be responsible for building relationships and communicating with internal teams. You will also be responsible for reporting, analyzing data and process improvement. Now let us see the essential skills required for this job role. Experience in MIS, reporting in equities operations, trade, cash and trade life cycle. Excellent communication, presentation, both oral and written, and influencing skills. Project management and business analysis experience, gathering requirements, user acceptance testing and planning. Ability to manage multiple BAU ad hoc priorities and projects coupled with the flexibility to quickly adapt to ever-evolving business needs. Experience in BI tool, ClickView, Alteryx, Tableau will be added advantage. Demonstrate independent problem-solving skills and ability to develop solutions to complex analytical data-driven problems. Must be able to communicate complex issues in a crisp and concise manner to stakeholders. Excellent interpersonal skills necessary to work effectively with colleagues at various levels of the organization and across multiple locations. Domain knowledge of equities, cash and derivatives will be a plus. Team player with the ability to work productively within a group. Proficient using Microsoft Project, Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Now let us check the key responsibilities of this job role. Build and maintain effective working relationships with an internal team members as well as with other teams with the firm. Prepare client-specific reporting, prioritizing tasks and assignments to meet deadlines and escalate concerns to direct manager. Demonstrate familiarity and competence with departmental and team procedures and applicable system. Recommend adjustments and improvements to departmental and team procedures and applicable system enhancements. Let us see about the company. JPMorgan Chase and Company, one of the oldest financial institutions, offers innovative financial solutions to millions of consumers, small businesses and many of the world's most prominent corporate, institutional and government clients under the JPMorgan and Chase brands. You can read more about the company here. Here is about the team in which you will work under this job role. The Corporate and Investment Bank is a global leader across investment banking, wholesale payments, markets and security services. The world's most important corporations, government and institutions entrust us with their business in more than 100 countries. So if you feel you are eligible for this job role, you can apply for this job role by clicking on this Apply Now button. Then this page will open where you have to enter your email address. You have to click on this button. I agree with the terms and condition, and then you have to click on the next. After that, this page will open where you have to apply. You have to upload your resume first, or you can apply with your LinkedIn profile also. Then there are some personal details which you have to enter. Title, first name, middle name, email, they're already there. Then you have to re-enter your email address, phone number, your address, then your preferred location for work, and then you have to click on the next. After that, you have to submit the application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, channel को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.